I got something new. Hi, I'm Nathan. You're watching Wasn't My Fault. Welcome back. So I've got a new pair of headphones. I've got to review them, so I'll have a look at them. I like headphones. I've reviewed a few previously. So pro gaming headset. They are good for PS4, Xbox, PC, and so on. Packaging not bad, from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description in the bottom. So let's have a look. They cost about £22, something around those lines. So, nice packaging, nice. Oh. Okay, so box. Headphones wrapped in bubble wrap. Always like bubble wrap. Instructions, not sure why you'd need them, but there they are. Ooh. Cables. Headset. Okay. So, unlike my other ones, like my Steel Series and my other previous ones that I used to wear, these ones only have, oh, they've got USB as well. Okay, so one connector, which is for obviously PS4 phones and that sort of thing. Take that off there. And then you have an adapter that goes from 1 to 2. Now my previous ones went the other way. So they had two, one audio, one microphone, specifically for PC. These ones are made mainly for PS4. And then you plug it in to use on the PC. Okay, let's get the rest of this stuff off here so we can actually try it properly. Okay, so let's have a look. So I've got all the cables here. Nice built-in cable tie, as you see. Velcro, very nice. Braided, as you can see. Can you see that well? Maybe not. Can you see that? Do I have to adjust? You see, braided wire, so it should last longer. No, that's my camera. Bad. Okay. See, it's got the split there for USB, and then lead for PC. So I'm assuming it lights up or something. I can't remember, to be honest. So here we go. It's nice, fairly nice padding. Microphone flips up and down. Nice camouflage colours, which is nice. You can only use it to the one side, so only on the left hand side. It's actually soft and twistable, which is good. Nice padding for over the head as well. So let's try them on. Possibly a little bit small for my ears, but maybe my ears are a little bit big, but they look okay. Let's plug in the USB and see what happens. There's also controller on the side, so you've got volume up and down, microphone on and off. It's got a weird thing there that looks like it should do something, but that doesn't. That's just got, it's actually by there, not by there. So it's got all like markings, like it looks like that should move, but it doesn't actually move. So let's plug this thing in. Everything has covers as well. Oh, right. So, ding 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ah, there you go. Right, I'll take them off so you can see, and then we'll test them. So, as you can see, they have lights on the sides. They're quite nice orangey lights. You can't adjust them or do anything with them. They're just nice orange lights, so they're kind of cool. A bit different. So we'll try them and see what the sound is like. So, let's plug some in and see what happens. I'm going to plug my other ones that I use. Hopefully I plug them in the right way around. I can never remember which way because my ports do not have colours on. Right, I shall have to play something in the background, so let's move that over there. Let's find something I can listen to that's DRM free. So, just in case, you shouldn't hear it anyway, but just in case you hear some of it, I'm going to go something that I have from my YouTube channel that I use all the time. Let's play Magic that I always have in the background. open it with that. Can we open it, please? That's not bad sound. Quite a nice stereo to it. Clear sound. That's not bad at all. Wait till the beat starts. That's not bad at all. They're quite good. That's better. That drowned out. Okay. So that's through the headphones to the speaker. Before I had the desktop audio on. Stupid me, so. Okay, there we go. Much better. Cool. So it's not bad, they sound pretty good. And what's the quite adjustable nicely. Cool, they're not bad at all. I'm quite impressed. They sound pretty good. Alright, let's turn that music back off. There. Get rid of that. Okay, apologies if that was a bit loud earlier. So, yeah. Pretty good. They look nice, they feel nice. It said they're possibly a little bit small for my big ears, but that's not a fault of theirs. They're still, I could wear those quite happily all day. They're almost as comfortable as my SteelSeries, which is pretty good. They are really nice headphones. They look nice camouflage. If you play Call of Duty and everything else, then the camouflage look is obviously very ideal. As you can see, quite adjustable for big fat heads like mine, and the smaller heads, maybe even kid size. You see that's slightly too small, so they need a little adjustment like that. So yeah, pretty good, impressed. Very nice for the price. I do like the lights on the side, that gives it a nice little feature. So yeah, pretty cool, not too bad at all. I would recommend those to anyone. Said link in the description down the bottom, so have a look. They're on Amazon. Thanks a lot for watching. Please come again soon. Bye bye for now.